lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet, and today I'll be showing you my full wash day routine with Aviva products. So the first thing I did was to put my hair into about 10 twists in total. The medium-sized twist, not too small, so my hair doesn't tangle or mat up while washing. So the first thing I do is to take the shampoo by Aviva. This shampoo is actually award-winning, so I was really looking forward to using these products, and my results were fabulous. I was not disappointed at all. So the shampoo is very moisturizing. It didn't dry out my hair. I literally just went in all over, massaging my scalp to allow any product build-up to get loose, and as you can see, it felt so good. So I also applied the shampoo to the length of my twist, just to make sure that if I had any flakes or any product build-up on it, that it will just be able to wash everything out. So this is after rinsing with shampoo, and my curls were popping. That's how you know you've actually used a really good shampoo. So this is the Revive treatment. It's your conditioner. I use this as my deep conditioner, and it was also my first time trying it, and it did not disappoint. So it's got this lovely smell, as well as the shampoo as well. They've both got this lovely non-irritating fruity smell, because I'm really sensitive to smell in products. So when a product comes with a particular scent that I don't like, I tend not to use those products often. But this one was really good. So as usual, I put it all over my hair, all over my twists, and make sure that it goes in between. I press it in, and then I put it all over my scalp. No, not my scalp itself. I put it all over my hair, and I put my hair in a bun and put a shower cap over it. So I let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then this is when it's rinsed out. So just to make sure, I take down one twist to make sure that I rinsed out properly. And now I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, which is, oh my god, this leave-in conditioner is amazing. It literally gave me the 3 things that I needed in any product I look for, which is to keep my hair soft, it keeps my hair shiny, and it keeps my hair silky. Those are the things that I always look for in products. And look, you see my reaction. I really loved how it just made my fingers glide through my hair. And for the first time ever, I was gonna try this detangling. Wow! See that shine? Oh, that's crazy. Brush is also by Aviva, and I was stunned. This is the first time I feel in my whole natural hair journey that I've been able to comb my hair, detangle my hair this thoroughly. Honestly, I don't ever detangle my hair with tools. It's always finger detangling. That's why when people watch my videos, they're always asking, do I ever comb my hair? They've never seen me use a comb. And yeah, that's because I always finger detangle. But with this comb, it's changed my whole natural hair game. It's amazing. And honestly, I'm not going to look back after this. So yes, so I'm just, after a detangle, I twist it up. I chose to only use the products because this was also a first impression video, and I wanted to see how my hair would react without using any other thing. So using any other products on top. So I didn't use an oil to seal. I just literally only used a leave-in conditioner because their products are shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. So I go in and I do the same thing to the rest of the hair. So I apply a little of the leave-in conditioner while my hair is still damp, and I just make sure that it's all covered up. Then I go in with the brush and comb through. And so here I'm just taking pictures because I wanted to see what after was like what my hair looked like now compared to when it was dry. And guys, look at this. Like seriously. Look, this is 40 hair being like combed through so easily. It's so good to be natural now. I feel like everything is available and it's just so easy to grow your hair right now because all the products, like pretty much all the products that you need to be able to maintain your hair is already in the market. So this is what it looks like as I comb my ends and it's not pulling it at all. And look, it's it's got like really like my shed hair is as tiny as. Okay, I was totally just absolutely surprised. I've never seen my hair like this because I've never like combed through my hair like this. So you just had to allow me keep showing the same thing. But yeah, look at that shine. Look at that shine. Ah, nice. So I'm gonna twist it up. I'm just twisting everything up now, and I always when put my hair in, I always flat twist my hair or put my hair in a bun to keep it stretched. But in this case, I tried to put my hair in three buns just to make sure that I got my roots stretched. And I had never done this before as well. So I was just pretty much experimenting on this wash day. And I have to say that this has got to be my fastest wash day ever because the products made it so easy and I hadn't actually like I didn't feel like I was washing my hair. Because if you notice, I did not detangle before putting my hair in twist. So just to make sure that I was able to proper test if the products could detangle my hair. So yeah, I am loving this right now. As always, the links to find all these products are going to be in the description box below. All the products are by Aviva, and I would definitely share all the deets that you guys need to know. Hello, so this is the next day and I'm a bit under the weather, but we're gonna film this video. Okay, so the key to stretching your hair like this is try not to make it too tight. If not, you end up with a headache and honestly, it's really not the best. So just make it as firm as possible, but don't put any stress on your scalp, on your edges. As you can see, it looks firm, but then it's not pulling on my edges. Okay? Alright, so I'm just gonna oil my fingers and I'm going to put a little bit of the leave-in conditioner on my hands and try to bring out the bobby pins, hairpins first. So the length of my hair is dry, but this point feels a bit damp. So not quite looking forward to that. Okay, so see how stretched my hair is without any heat. Look at that. I still got length. First day, on day one. Okay. So this part is not dry. If I left it a bit longer, it will be dry and more firm. But yeah. Okay, so I'm all done, and as you can see, this is not dry, so that's why it has more volume. And the same goes for some parts here as well. They're also not dry. But this is what it looks like when you just separate twists. It would definitely look more elongated if my hair was completely dry. So yeah, no problem. We're going to move on to separate. As you can see, the curls are amazingly popping. Yeah, popping. So I'm just gonna go in and just figure out where the hair naturally parts. I'm just going to do that, rub and create more volume. Rub, create more volume. Rub, create more volume. so. Okay, so I'm basically just, I'm not really separating, I'm just like rubbing the curls to separate, and it just instantly gives that poof. Okay, so this is this front bit here. Alright, so to close up the parts is pretty easy. My hair is hanging. Okay, so to close up the parts is really easy and super simple. Aha, it's coming together. This is my. So you just need to go in and just fluff it up. Do the same for the other side. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Use my fingers to cover any parts if necessary. I don't want to go in with a brush again because I need to, in my opinion. But yeah, I just need to do this. And shake. Then fluff. Shake and fluff. Pull. If you want more length, just pull together. And yeah, this is my, oh, I like this. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so this is my twist out routine, and this is day 1 hair. So I hope you all like this video. Sorry I'm a bit, well, I'm pushing myself because I don't feel great. But yeah, we've got to do what we have to do, that's about how we feel. So I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, obviously. And don't forget to click on the bell button to make sure you get a notification whenever I upload. I upload every week, and yeah, pray always, live well, live great, and God bless you. Take care now. Bye.